Oh, these earthquakes appearing around the world. What the hell, yo? This is within a 7-day period. So this thing I'm using is called Earthquake 3D. Shows you earthquakes all around the world that are appearing. Yo, it never used to be this bad up around here. But it's kind of like, it's a lot. That's a 7-day period. I changed it. This is like a 4 magnitude. This is just a 4 magnitude within 7 days.
What the heck?
I don't know. This is okay, going up to 5 magnitude. Okay, what I'm working is this level over here. Magnitude 6. 5. Okay. Let's just show all magnitudes. We take it to 0. 7 days. 6 days. 5. Okay. Let's just go with just today. I think like a 1. This is for today, I think. Even with a 1 day, it's a lot. I think the green is like a recent one. That's why it's in green, 5.0. You take a look at all the earthquakes appearing around the world. And here we are in America. We bring this from a 1 day to like 7 days. These are all the earthquakes that appeared on the earth within 7 days. And a lot of these are like 4 point, 5 point, which ain't that serious, but it's still pretty close. But I remember it was never this bad. And it's never had this many right here. So something could be coming or something could be going on. I don't know. Guess I have to wait and see.